Lord, do not rebuke me in anger. Do not punish me in wrath. Have mercy on me, Lord, for I am weak. Heal me, Lord, for my bones are out of joint.
My soul is in turmoil, and you, Lord, how long? Turn back, Lord, free my soul, save me by your mercy. For in the realm of death no one calls upon you, and in the abyss who will praise you?
Exhausted from groaning, at night I weep on my bed. I flood my bed with tears, my eyes are clouded with sadness. They grow old from so many contradictions. Depart from me, you wicked ones, for the Lord has heard my cry. The Lord has heard my plea. The Lord has accepted my prayer. Be confused and terrified, all my enemies, may they be ashamed and flee. Suddenly